Hi, hello and namaskar. Welcome to another video recipe of Fine Dining Indian. Myself Bobby. So our vision is to bring the restaurant, the high-end, proper fine dining food to your home. It's simple, any fine things what we do that gives a result of fine dining. It's not like you have to be paying huge amount or be in a high-end restaurants to eat a fine dining food. Nothing. It's just the vision, the idea what you have, the finest techniques what we use, the finest ingredients what we use, that makes a fine dining possible. You can do at home. In this recipe is all about avocado. So I'm making an avocado pakora and avocado chutney, and it's served in the avocado shell as well. So you can do it at home, easy, preserve the skin of the avocado, and you need to really choose avocado how what you want to cook it. It should be firm but it's cooked. And if it's full white, the avocado is raw. It's not really palatable. So you need to really choose how you buy the avocado. You can watch the video. I'm showing you exactly how it's done. So follow this recipe and give your feedback after cooking.
So we're making a batter, pakora batter, refined flour, 1 of chickpea, 1 of rice flour, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, hing or Asafoetida, less than 1/4 teaspoon, chopped coriander, ginger garlic paste, baking powder, 1 gram, salt between 1 to 2 grams, chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon, 1 gram of seasoning powder. You can use any brand. Now mix it with water. First start with a little water, make a nice paste, then increase the quantity so there will be no lumps. If you want a light batter, you can increase the water, and if you want to use tempura, that's well and good. It gives a nice light batter. Avocado, split it open. So scoop out avocado, keep the skin. We use it for presenting the pakoras. After cutting into half, then again I cut into 2. If you want it a bit thinner, you can cut it again into 3. From 1/2 you get 4, giving a bit more flavor. After cutting it, just spread it and then sprinkle a bit of chaat masala onto the avocado before you dip it in the flour and in the batter. So this gives an added flavor. Otherwise the batter may not give enough kick or enough flavor onto the avocado. And you can sprinkle a bit of chili powder if you want and dust with a bit of flour. So that helps the batter to get stuck onto the avocado. Otherwise the batter will not stuck properly. You can slowly turn the side and you can do the other side. Now we can dip it in the batter and then fry it at 170. For frying the pakora, ensure you got some oil. So once the oil is hot, in the batter you can dip Now slowly turn the sides. If it's a deep frying, more oil is well and good. You don't have to turn it. It will get cooked all the sides evenly. So I want to give a tempura kind of effect. That's why I kept the batter very light. So it gives the crunchiness, but you can see the avocado. But if you want to completely cover it, you can keep the batter thick. And you can finish off the rest of the avocado. For plating up, take a bowl, putting some lentil. So now place the avocado, the skin. Then I'm placing some avocado chutney. So after placing the avocado chutney, I'm going to put the avocados. So I'm grating some lemon zest on the top.
So thank you. Believe you enjoyed how you made avocado pakora, It's amazing. It's crispy, but you need to make sure you don't keep it too long, because avocado will lose the water or ooze out the water and then it gets soggy. So immediately serve it. You can serve in the shell itself, or you can give the chutney separate, the avocado pakora separate. It's up to you. See, this all the videos I'm putting it out, it's just igniting your idea. Execution is in your hand. How you can take it forward, how you can develop it further, it's up to you. I'll be more happy if you come up with some more ideas. It's amazing. So subscribe to us, click the bell icon, share these videos. So the main idea is to spread the idea, spread the idea. How we can make a fine dining possible at your home. Reduce oil, unhealthy food. Don't spoil the meat or chicken by cooking it too long. But if it's a slow cooking, amazing. Don't hide the main flavors by putting a lot of spices. Reduce the spice levels. Bring the flavors, bring the natural flavors. That's a vision of Fine Dining Indian and myself. Thank you.